All right, Aaron's back with the weather now, and you mentioned before the break about kids getting back to school. So a little bit of a delay in Baileyville, School Union 107, 2-hour delay there, and the Bangor schools have a 2-hour delay this morning as well. So still got to go, get to sleep in a little bit longer. So
that was the best though, because you didn't have to make it up.
yes, that is good. You don't lose a day, and you get a little bit of break. It's already a 4-day week anyway, so 2 extra hours for Bangor and for Baileyville. So
not a bad one.
yeah, there you go.
The day overall isn't going to be bad either. It's going to be a pretty decent weather day, especially. Yeah, we need a break compared to yesterday. It's not going to be a long break, just a few days, because we are going to have something else coming down the pipeline. But as we can see on the radar, everything has really calmed down from where we were yesterday. Hancock County, they got over 3 inches of sleet in some places. Washington got over 4 inches of sleet in some places. So quite a bit out there. Luckily, the freezing rain stayed around 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch for most people, which is not great, but north of 1/2 inch is where the problems really start to begin. So we avoided what could have been worse. Still not great, but it could have definitely been worse out there for a lot of people over down east. Now, wind speeds are calming down as well as we go through your day today. These are going to continue to drop for your numbers, getting a little bit lower like we see, probably around 3 to 7 miles an hour, but much calmer than we were now. We'll see it getting down to this, not quite so much in the double digits anymore as we progress through the rest of your day here today. Now, those still will be enough to make your temperatures feel a tiny bit cooler, but these temperatures are really warm either way when you step out the door. Portland, you guys are at 31 degrees. We're seeing Algonquin at around 30 as well. Rangeley, you guys are a little bit cooler up in the mountains at 19 degrees at this point. But these temperatures are normally where our highs should be for this time of year for the most part. So it's definitely a pretty warm one. Same goes for the rest of the state. Still pretty warm outside in the mid-20s for a lot of people as you move a little bit further inland, but that's pretty good. I think we'll take it. If we had these temperatures yesterday that were just a tiny bit warmer, it would have helped us out a tiny bit more. Now, there are still some clouds over top of the area, and the county's probably still going to see a few snow showers for your day. But this band of sunshine, we were showing it yesterday over the Mid-Atlantic region. It kind of moved into ours, and as it does, that's going to help give us more sunshine as we go through the rest of your day here today. So we will start to have it getting a little bit better. You can see that slowly trying to move in here as we go through the rest of your day here. We're not going to have wall-to-wall, no clouds in the sky, but you definitely will get to see some blue skies today, unlike we had yesterday, as temperatures warm up, like I said, to around 40 for highs. The next thing we're watching coming down the pipeline is going to be later this week, really coming in late Thursday in through your morning on Friday. This is going to be much more of a typical winter storm when it rolls through. It's going to move in from the Midwest, and as that slowly does, this is going to start to give us some more snow. That starts Thursday night, and it will last through your morning on Friday, probably wrapping up early in the afternoon. So it's going to be a much more typical normal storm. It's looking like snow, like I said, at this point in time, which I think a lot of us are okay with at this time of year. Temperature is pretty warm, like I said, for the next couple of days here, sticking right around 40 degrees if you're inland. Along the coast, you'll be a little bit warmer as you go through your day, getting up into the mid-40s for your day tomorrow. And then from there, we'll start to see it dropping off as that snow pops back into your forecast. A little bit of sunshine will come into your weekend here for Saturday before more clouds build back in. We're watching something else for you guys coming down at the beginning of the work week. So we have a couple breaks in there. This is the pattern we've been in, though, where we get a break, have a storm, have another break, and just kind of continue on.
All right, we'll keep an eye on all of those things. RSU 20 Searsport also now a 2-hour delay. So while you were doing the weather, we want a break too. Well,
yeah, why not?
That's not really how it happened, but there was a delay in Searsport, so 2 hours there. So, all right, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.